How to see who is using my Netflix account. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Netflix, right? Then after that, make sure you're logged into your account, and then from there, open your desired profile. After doing that, now what are we going to do is simply tap on my Netflix right here, then tap on your username right here. After doing that, tap on account, and then from here, what are we going to do is keep on scrolling. You can see access and devices, tap on that one, and you would need to now verify yourself. You can do that via your email code or a text code. And after verifying yourself, what are we going to do is look at all of the active list of devices, which actually shows the device types, locations, that could be like IP address, and the exact login timestamp, right? So after doing that, you need to check the profile name listed under the recent activity on each device card to see exactly who used that specific device last. So this is exactly how you will be able to see who is using my Netflix account. And yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.